how to fix problem with your iPhone 6 Plus screen popping out. Now as you can see right here, the screen should be nice and flat, and moving to the top it is now popping out. So if this is an aftermarket screen, it can usually happen if you are facing the same problem. Here's how you can fix it. First you need to turn off your phone. So press and hold to the power button and switch off your phone. After that, we're going to need to remove the pentalip screws at the bottom down here. So there are two screws that you need to take out. Now we just need to pry off the screen. Make sure you place the screws in the right position. Later you're going to need to put it back in the right place. Each of the screws had a different size. So if you put the wrong screw back in the wrong place, you can damage the board. So be very careful. As you can see, this one here is quite long. If you put it over here, you can puncture through the board. So be careful. Okay, so now after we have removed the 5 screws, we take out the back metal plate right there, and we remove the 4 flex cable right here. Okay, now that the screen is detached, remove the phone to the side, and we'll investigate and take a look at the screen popping out right here. So you're going to need to use a bit of glue to fix this issue. What I have here is a super glue. If you got a specific glue here, this glue is good for fixing the screen. If you haven't got it, you can use super glue right here. And I'm just gonna use something to wipe, so make sure you have a rag or something to wipe off any excess glue. And you don't need too much, you just need a tiny bit just around the edge right here. I'm just going to turn it around so you can see what it looks like at the back here. And here also. So right there, you just need a little bit. So try to put a bit of glue down. So you can see I just squeeze a tiny bit. Not too much. Oops, I left it too long, now it's coming out really quick. So you can turn it over here as well, and have just even a tiny bit, not too much. Okay, once you put the glues around the screen, you can squeeze it in and hold it. You can wipe off any excess right here. Just quickly wipe it off and hold down for a short while. Make sure that you don't use too much glue. If the glue get into the LCD, it can damage the LCD, so make sure that there's not too much glue going into the LCD. And just hold down and wait for it to cure. So initially, after a few minutes, the glue will dry, but for a full curation, it may take up to 24 hours, even up to 48 hours. So just wait. When it starts to dry, you can leave the screen on the table, and you can come back in a few hours time, so that will give the glue more time to cure. So now you can see the screen is now attached. It doesn't pops out anymore. I just remove this suction cup, we don't need it anymore. So there it is. We're just going to wait for it to dry. I'm just going to hold down this direction so that we make sure the glue does not come down to the LCD. Any excess glue that you accidentally spilled over the top here, we can scrape it off later. Okay, now once the glue has dried, we can now put the screen back into the phone. So we're going to connect the flex cable for the LCD and the touch screen, which is these two cables here. Then we'll attach the home button cables, which is on the side here. And the last one, the camera flex cable. So that first cable is going back in. Then we put the fire screw back onto that metal plate. There we go, that's the 5 screws. And now we can put the screw back in. So now we're just going to slide it in to the slot, and then we'll try to close it. And go around this side as well. Just snap it in. And we can secure it with the 2 pentalobe screws down here. And that's it. Now you can see the screen no longer pops out. Best if you try not to touch it too much and allow it to dry off. It will take some time, at least 24 hours for the glue to dry off, and when it is dry it will become hard and the screw will not come loose again. And that's how you can fix the popping off screen on the iPhone 6s Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'm just we can turn it on and test before we finishing off this video. And everything seems to be working good. Thank you for watching.